So I saw this on TEMU. This is a mini thermal printer. It's this little thing right here. I don't know why I bought this. It seemed like a good idea at the time, but once again, this is my 2 AM impulsive buys. It doesn't have ink in it. It's got this thermal paper instead. The idea is that you can connect it to your device and then print out what you need. But I don't know why anybody would want to print out low quality printouts like this. Maybe for labels, maybe for kids, maybe for a novelty. Let's see what it can do. First, you got to download an app called FunPrint, and it's all in Chinese, I assume. You have to download this Chinese app. Who knows what it's installing on there, but I'm trusting Apple to protect me. I'll probably send all my data over to China by now. It's got some good reviews. Let's read some of these reviews. So I bought this thermal printer as gifts and threw one in for myself. They are super fun, great for note taking and memo function. Is great for voice notes or vids. I'll be using this to print Christmas labels for presents this year. Yeah. Easy to use and does the job for printing using a mini computer. Okay. I just got this today and it works like a charm. Little printer right out of the box. Already printed 2 pictures using an app. Not working, but printer is nice. Warning parents, 1 star, concerned parent. I wanted to share a critical warning for parents with young children who use iPads or iPhones with parental controls. If your child has access to a thermal mini printer connected to their devices and is using the app FunPrint, please be aware that this app does not adhere to some content restrictions, and once opened website showed unblocked R18 plus content on Google. Unfortunately, my very young minor experienced this firsthand, resulting in the viewing of inappropriate and explicit materials. I'm deeply concerned and mortified by this situation. I urge you to review this device for any similar vulnerabilities if using this app. I don't know how that would have happened. Works. Here's another review. Works, but not 100% perfect. It's easy to use when it comes to creating your sticker or picture, but the program doesn't work well when it comes to other things. It allows 50 by 50 design, but won't print it. It cannot get it to calibrate, so the image isn't centered. It will only print 1 thing at a time. Even though if I set it to 10, it won't always save the work. The program needs work. 5 stars. Bought this affordable thermal printer for my 12-year-old son. We've experimented with it, and so far it is great. I have only one suggestion. Can this be in color? And when you get this app, the mini printer is needed. Yes, yep. Can it be in color? No, that's how thermal paper works. It's only monochrome. I would give it a 0, but that's not possible. The app doesn't work. It logs me out as soon as I log in. It was working for like 5 minutes, but after that, it stopped working. Okay. And there's some things you can do here. There's picture images, templates, text, to-do list, new notes. I think all that's pretty crap. The only thing you really want to do is maybe some labels or some receipts. You could use it for receipts if you've got a small business. But what do I want to do? I want to print a picture. And now we can print it. Print. Let's do it. Done. Now it's just on a receipt paper, and I've got a picture of myself that I can put places. Great for kids, probably good for receipts, maybe good for labels. Only one problem. Let's go see what happens with thermal print paper. So if you've ever got a receipt from a shop or the service station and you've got your receipt and you've put it out in your car, in the heat, in the sun, and you've gone back a couple of days later or a week later to get that important receipt that you need to claim tax on, and you go, where's my receipt gone? And why is it totally black? It's because it prints this because it uses heat. But the problem is, once you put heat to it, like a hot car or hot anything, it either fades or turns black. Let's see what we can do. So what we're going to do is we're going to simulate the heat with this bad boy. And that's why you can't trust thermal paper. But if you want a little fun thing for the kids, I think it's a great little stocking filler or a little present. Probably going to give this one away, like most of the things I get from TEMU. And that is the TEMU mini printer.